Hello guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to use Google Maps, accessibility and personalizations. So guys, Google Maps offer helpful accessibility and personalizations features to make navigation easier for everyone. You can turn on options like wheelchair, accessible routes, accessible entrances, and step-free path to plan smoother travel. Maps also lets you personalize your experience by saving favorite places, choosing preferred routes, and adjusting map settings based on your needs. It remembers your routings, suggests faster path, and shows relevant updates. These features makes Google Maps more comfortable, inclusive, and tailored to your daily life. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.